Hello, my name is Sergei and I want to make this video about technical analysis of Blackcoin. And I'm working on the Forex market as a professional trader and for more than 5 years. And most of my living I live making on by trading. Also running the little repair shop, cell phone repair shop, and want to start accepting the payments in the cryptocurrencies and especially the Blackcoin, of course. So, and here we are. About a week ago, I did analysis on a Blackcoin with Elliott wave style, but this is not uh, the analysis I'm doing on a regular basis. Um, every day it's just my complementary style. My major analysis style is the way many people will do in the banks and hedge funds, and of course the Elliott's waves also can be used, but I don't really know that. I was taught to do that. What I will just show you, and I like it a lot. It's making for me very clear what is what and what can I expect from the market. Of course, the market will do whatever it wants and how it wants its master, and it's uh, not supposed to follow your assumptions and predictions. And I'm as a trader just trying to see ahead one more step what the market would likely to do based on my understanding of it, testing results, observations, and so on and so forth. More about that I will and about my analysis style, how to make technical analysis on your own. I will talk in another video which I'm going to make. I will mention about it in the end of this video. So, but before starting with the technical analysis, I want to bring your um, eye to this chart. This is basically transaction comparison chart, number of unique transactions per day, and here you can see it's a Dogecoin and Blackcoin. Blackcoin seems kind of has a less transactions, and if you put a Bitcoin, it will be about 100,000 transactions. So we won't press that, but if you start pressing all of these and other cryptocurrencies, you would see that all of them is just under the Blackcoin. So basically Blackcoin is in the third place, and somehow I was surprised and inspired by that. See that we slowly picking up the pace, and more coins changing in hands, and more transactions happens, and more people are interested in Blackcoin. So that's great. And on top of it, we'll come to the technical analysis. So there's kind of certain fundamentals. Uh, and now we're going to technical. And here in a technical, we have a bitcoinwisdom.com, this kind of web package. It's not great. I didn't find I don't know the better ones. So anyway, I'm not going to use it. I'm just took a print screen and I'm going to work with print screen and Snagit. It's very easy to draw the lines over there and to play with it. So here we're in Snagit, and I made this screenshot and put some labels here, and I will explain you in a moment what is that. And so let's say that this is the beginning of the time, and this is when we have a start on this chart. So we're making the first move up, and that we will call high. It's the highest high we have at the moment, and then we are breaking the structure, and we're making lower low. This is the lowest low we have on the chart. And then we are making lower high. Why it's lower high? Because this high is lower than this high. And then we are making new lower low, and then we are making a lower high. This high is lower than this one, and then we are making retest, and then we are making high high, and then we are making retest again, and then we are making lower high, and then we are making lower low, and then we are making lower high, and now we're retesting. So why I'm calling a little bit more about all of this lower high, and how we quantify them and identifying them. I will talk about it more in the other videos. Now I won't concentrate on it because it requires some time to explain. So the other things you can see when you draw like this, you can see very clear that there is the levels, and this levels is has their price range. They are not necessarily aligned, but you can see they exist within some kind of zone, and this zone can vary. This is what we call support and resistance lines, and so we'll draw a few of them. This is the one. This is the one. And this is the one. And I want to bring your attention to look how the market respect previous support and resistance. You can see it make lower low, then it making lower high, and then it's making lower low. Look how it retest previous lower low. It comes in this zone, retracing and moving back and making a retest here, and look where it come again. I'm sorry. And then look where did it come again. It again respecting the other level. It's respecting this level. It's making retest. Then it's moving. Then it's moving up. Then it's moving high, making higher high. Then it's retesting again. Where it's retesting in the same price zone. It's moved through this one, but it's still respecting this zone. And then it's making new retest. It's retesting for the third time already this zone. Then you can also tell that this is also one of the retests. And then it's eventually breaking. It's creating new lower low here. Yes, here, and then it's making retest. It comes again in the same zone. Then you would see now, and up today you would see that it's actually retesting this zone right now and it's creating double bottom. What does it mean for me? What I'm expecting looking at this chart? What I'm expecting, and I'm expecting that it will retest this zone and will try to make move up. It might come only to this zone, to this level, but this is what I'm assuming. Looking at this chart and more data on this, you can see that there is a very strong bearish trend, and this trend is continuous, and there is no sign that the trend will become bullish. And for me personally, based on my understanding and of this chart, for me the market will become bullish only when it will break this high, when it will break this resistance level. only then for me it would be, you can tell that it's already can be bullish trend here, but in reality it's a channel and it has to break above this channel and close above. Then for me it will be a sign that the bullish market is picking up. As for now, I can buy after retest of this structure on a green candle, but it's up to you. What are you going to do? Are you going to buy or are you going to sell? This video is not for the to give the signal for buy or sell. This video is just primarily for educational purposes and for me possibility to promote Blackcoin. And I'm personally going to buy on a green candle. Then and I will show the signal of green candle. I'm going to buy at that moment, and assuming that it will go up. I'm not selling the Blackcoin because I'm a combination between swing trading and investing. And for me, investing Blackcoin is a primary. I tends to hold them in stock because I'm thinking that Blackcoin can show great results and it would be a different price for it. Regarding Elliott wave analysis, which I mentioned before, here it can be already ABC move, and or it can be just A, and now it's creating B, expecting that it will go with C up. Whatever it will do, we will see. I just want to remind that the market is not supposed to do what you're thinking about it. It just will do what it wants to do because there is hundreds, thousands, millions of participants and they have all their different ideas why they have to be engaged in the market and what they're expecting in the market and things like that. So there is no way for me to guess what will happen. It's just based on my analysis, on my test results. I'm making probability that the market will most likely will do this or that, and that's basically all. More about that and other things you can watch in my next video, which I will call make your own analysis of Blackcoin. There we'll talk about technical analysis, how to more about what's the support, what's the resistance, how to draw these lines, how to identify legs of the moves, and what's high, what is low. So please subscribe for my YouTube channel. Check and follow me on Twitter. I would be very happy. Also sorry for my international English and Russian accent. I'll try to improve that with time, try to speak a little bit faster. It's taking too much time for me to create this one, so I would like to keep this video as it is. And thank you to you all. Goodbye.